Hello there, Pisces. I'm Sandy Anastasi, psychic channel, intuitive astrologer, and soul coach. And I'm here with your astrological and psychic predictions for October of 2018. Home, family, and relationships dominate your life in a good and healing way this month, Pisces. Your intuition is stronger than ever, and one-on-one connections to family, friends, and business partners are bringing it out more strongly than ever. You are slowly losing the battle of balance, family, and career through the need to find some new solutions, though. If you're looking to change careers, look at something connected to the healing field for the most satisfaction. You are still fighting another battle, too, that of following your intuition or your mind. It's time to learn to use both to their fullest potential and ability right now, and blend them to get the most out of both. You'll enjoy spending time on some home projects this month too, Pisces, or possibly looking at a change in your residence. I'm Sandy Anastasi, and I wish you a wonderful, fun-filled October and a happy Halloween. This is such a great month as we move into the fall of the year here in the Western Hemisphere. I just love Halloween and October, and I wish you great joy in it. Please visit me on my website. I'm at www.sandyanastasi.com. And while you're there, sign up for my free monthly newsletter. Sign up for my free monthly psychic hour coming up just a week or so from now. And check out my upcoming events for next year. It's not too early to sign up. If you sign up for my Anastasi System of Psychic Development that begins in January, you get a healthy discount now. So it's a good time to sign up. You can also sign up for the 2019 Psychic Cruise. If you're a cruiser, you don't want to miss that. It's so much fun to rub shoulders on the ocean with psychics, attend a psychic fair, etc., etc. It's just an amazing experience. Find out how to get a reading with me on my website, and find out about my latest courses. I've just released Tarot 1 and 2 levels, and this month, October 2018, I'm releasing my Psychic Protections Tip, the latest technology, education on the go just for you. And by the way, that's my new puppy you're hearing. Isn't that lovely? 4 days old. I'll be back here with you for more predictions next month. Bye-bye for now.